Each of our different functions takes seriously our responsibility to do a comprehensive assessment as a part of any project, no matter how small. Even if you're going to build a tiny new AI application, I really need to know what are the constraints, what are your goals, what are the dependencies you bear, how do we inform our engineers so that they don't have to build something twice and 3 times, they get it right on the first try. And that assessment function produces formal outputs. It's not enough for us to get a good idea of what you need to do. We need you to know. So we build all the documentation that you need, not only so that you understand our plan, but that you can take that to your leadership, to your board, to your stakeholders, and explain that you have a clear view on how to take these kinds of things on. All of those plans are designed critically to inform what is the first proof of concept we would deploy. How do we get an example of what we're talking about into the hands of those stakeholders so that it's not some fiction? They don't have to wait 19 years for something to happen. We can see what the results will be firsthand. Once that POC is in place and we sort of validated that what we discovered in the assessment's actually for real, then we get to move on to production. How do I take that into a system that's got all of those reliability and consistency guarantees that are critical to build business value on top of? And you can't miss the last bit. Once you've got something built, you have to operate it, right? You can't just have it stuck and abandoned and maybe it works today or not. You have to have a coherent team that's low cost, because everybody needs to manage costs in these things. But you need the 24/7 coverage. You need the capability of working around the globe. As these tools expand utility around the world, it's really hard to keep them running reliably, and we built really incredible functions for that. So the teams at Insight across all 3 of the cloud providers have worked hard to work together so that when we find a customer that's picked these 2 or those 2, we know the right way to bring these platforms together and bring the very best of them to customers so that they get the best outcome possible.